Catastrophic losses are starting to add up in Canada, from the flooding in Calgary and Ontario to the devastation caused by the Lac-Mégantic train derailment. Monday morning, Intact Financial Corp., Canada's biggest personal and commercial property insurer, released its estimates for all three events. The company said investors should expect after-tax catastrophe losses of $123 million in its upcoming second quarter results. And then the early July disasters will add another $134 million in after-tax expenses to its third quarter earnings. Both figures are net of reinsurance, and that's a total of $257 million in costs. Charles Brind'Amour, Chief Executive Officer of Intact, called the devastation brought on by the recent flooding and torrential rain unprecedented. While a reliable tally of the total costs of the crisis haven't been released, they have been generally ballparked in the low single-digit billions. The city of Calgary set its own estimates at more than $250 million to repair the damage from the flood to major public properties such as libraries, the City Hall, and the Calgary Zoo. And then the third largest independent property and commercial insurer in Canada, RSA Canada, released a preliminary estimate back in early July, saying that net claims from flooding in Alberta could reach $75 million, and that would be above its reinsurance retention. Insurers, you see, also have to buy insurance, and they buy that from reinsurers to spread out the risk of these major weather events. So in this case, the reinsurers are expected to be left holding some of these costs. And as the frequency and severity of these weather disasters, from flood to hail to tornado and earthquake, increase in severity and frequency, Mr. Brind'Amour of Intact also said the events serve as a stark reminder to insurers that they need to adapt to ensure protections and products remain sustainable. That's important since that could indicate a change in product design or higher premiums to pay for those damages.